Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we continue north on US Highway 11 after filling up with fuel in Fort Payne, Alabama. Fort Payne is the county seat of DeKalb County, and it feels like the city covers a large area as it's stretched out along US 11 and I-59. However, the city has a population of only 14,877 as of the 2020 census and covers an area of just under 57 square miles. Here, US 11 is locally named Green Hill Boulevard. Forty-Ninth Street to the right provides indirect access to a diamond interchange with I-59. We'll be crossing over to the east side of the interstate just ahead. We enter the town of Hammondville with a population of 425 as of the 2020 census. The town of Hammondville received its name from the Hammond family, who had a long-standing presence in the area. William Cook Hammond, who arrived in 1832, was one of the notable members of the family. In 1932, the town was officially established with its first mayor, and it was during this time that the former Alabama National Guard Armory in Hammondville became known as Fort W.B. Hammond, in honor of the town's founding mayor. As has been a common theme with many of the small towns along US 11, a state highway joins us for a short distance, in this case, State Route 117. Just ahead on the right is what I believe to be the first advertisement on Highway 11 for Ruby Falls, a popular attraction up the road at Lookout Mountain on the western edge of Chattanooga, Tennessee. In the mid-20th century, ads for Ruby Falls and Rock City were painted onto the roofs of barns along the highways all over the southeastern United States. The promoters of these attractions would offer a free coat of paint to the barn owners in exchange for advertising. Today, they're few and far between, as either the old barns don't exist anymore or that type of ad campaign has been scrapped in favor of modern billboards as seen here on the left. The few remaining barn top advertisements are likely maintained for nostalgic purposes and don't have any official connection to the attractions anymore. We conclude today's video at mile marker 247. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for just $1 a month, you too can help support our channel, along with Darren175, Audubon5425, Redhead, Stuart Webb, and John Neal. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.